We're joined today by Dr. Ed Tingstad, Orthopedic Surgeon, Team Physician for Cougar Athletics, and Medical Director of Student-Athlete Healthcare at Washington State. It has been 1 year since WSU Athletics and Pullman Regional Hospital launched their official healthcare partnership. Dr. Tingstad, it's great to have you with us.
Thanks, Chris. Good to be here today.
Well, looking back over this first year, what stands out to you most?
Well, we've really built a team that's kind of grown and expanded. It now includes many things. Injury prevention, recovery, mental health services have grown exponentially. And it feels like we now have a full team for all the kids and the community.
Well, you've been with Cougar Athletics for a long time. How has this new model changed the way that care is delivered?
For many years, it had been a patchwork of things, and now it's much bigger. We have specialists in multiple areas that have really helped us to grow and kind of serve the entire community. We get people that can see someone in the office in the morning and then come up to the campus and see the athletes in the afternoon. And that has not been possible before. And we have the whole range of specialties from nutrition to behavioral health to surgery, primary care. And that really makes a difference. And we can now see kids during their eligibility years and after they complete their eligibility. So now it's comprehensive care for going forward.
You mentioned behavioral health. That's one of the big additions this year. How has that shaped the overall program?
It's been really the biggest joy of my part of this is now seeing behavioral health be something that's embraced. We've hired two brand new professionals, Josh Klein and Dr. Justin Martell. They're located right inside the Champion Center. And that means that many of the kids can walk right across the street if they need something. And that really makes something that we've never had before.
Let's talk about the Champion Center for a moment. That facility really seems to represent the future of student-athlete support.
Well, as you know, you've been in it multiple times. You really need to come see it and just see what now is available for our kids. And it's a great thing to recruit to. It's a great thing to use. There's academic services. There are integrative services that kind of link us to the community and to the university. And our behavioral health people are located right in it. They're embedded with all the academic people. And so really it's seamless.
Well, how does this partnership benefit the broader community beyond just Cougar Athletics?
So what we're trying to do is give the very high level of care that we give to the athletes to the community. And these professionals now allow us to serve the entire community at a level and breadth that we've never had before. You know, my kids from Orofino and Spokane and, Genie and Walla Walla can now see the same people that see the Cougars actually can be seen here. And that's just something we've not had before.
Looking ahead, what are you most excited about as the partnership continues?
Well, we're still growing. And so moving forward, that's kind of our theme. How do we keep moving forward? There are preliminary thoughts about a sports medicine institute right here on campus where multi-collaborative care could become part of just the daily routine, where there's a large center right on campus where people can come and receive everything from nutritional assessments to we can test how high your vertical jump is. We can see, how quick you are in a 40-yard dash. And at the same time, we can check your blood pressure. And so all those things that we've not been able to do are now moving forward. And so we're excited about that.
Dr. Tingstad, thank you for your time and for all the work you and the team are doing. Pullman Regional Hospital is the official hospital of Washington State Athletics, and we are proud of the care you provide to Cougar student athletes.
Well, thanks for what you do, Chris. You're the voice of us all, so thank you for helping us, and I appreciate it, and go Cougs.
Go Cougs.